Hi, I'm Kathy, and this is Cooper. Cooper is a 9.5-year-old miniature poodle who loves to do tricks. So we're going to show you some of his tricks today. You ready, Coop? Let's show him the tricks. Come on, let's go show him the tricks. Oopsies. All right, ready? Sit, shake, high five, double, good boy. High five, high five, just one, just high five. Nope, just high five. Good boy. Shake, double, good boy. All right, can you spin? Good boy. Roll over. Good boy. Roll over again. Good job. Spin again. Good boy, spin. Good boy. How about dance? Do you want to dance? Good boy, dance. Nice job. Double. Good boy. Good boy. Can you show me your tummy? Show me your tummy. Where's that tummy? Good boy. Show me your tummy. Good boy. Good boy. Spin. Good boy. Bang. Good boy, bang. Good job. Good job. How about this? Can you do over, over, through? Good boy. Over, over, through, through. Good job. Good job. Doing somebody else touch you, huh? Hug and kiss. Hug and kiss. Hey, Coop. Hey, Cooper. Come on. That's not what I asked for. That's not what I asked for. Come here, Cooper. Okay, roll over. Okay, good job. Hug and kiss. Hug and kiss. Okay, good enough. Good enough. Hug and kiss. Yes. And then you did do something I didn't ask for yet. What do you want to do? Oh, very nice roll over. Okay. Oh, and that's a nice show me your tummy. Oh, and that's a nice bang. Very good. How about this? Can you pray? Oh, good boy. Say thank you for everything. Mm-hmm. How about my side? Good boy. Good boy. Okay, come over here. Okay, wow. Good boy, wow. Well, thanks, everybody. We hope you have a great day, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Right, Cooper? Double. Double. Yay. Hope you enjoyed the show.